Comparing Total Wireless on Verizon's network and Mint Mobile on T-Mobile's network as of November 2025. Price: Mint's plans start at $25 per month after a 3-month introductory period, ideal for short-term users. Total Wireless is slightly more expensive at about $55 per month for unlimited options. Data: both offer unlimited tiers, but Total Wireless caps high-speed data at 15 gigabytes on cheaper plans, while Mint deprioritizes after 22 gigabytes. Hotspot: Mint includes up to 10 gigabytes of hotspot data on some plans. Total Wireless offers more hotspot data on higher-tier plans. Coverage: Total Wireless has excellent rural coverage with Verizon's network. Mint Mobile covers most of the U.S. but can struggle in some rural areas. Choose Mint for lower prices and urban use, Total Wireless for reliable rural connectivity. Consider your data needs, location, and budget when choosing between Total Wireless and Mint Mobile. If you're a light data user in a city, Mint Mobile offers a cost-effective solution with plans starting at just $15 for 3 months, then $25 for 10 gigabytes. For reliable coverage in rural areas or heavy data usage, Total Wireless may be better suited, leveraging Verizon's extensive network that covers 97% of the U.S. population, according to FCC data. Budget is crucial. Mint Mobile's introductory pricing makes it ideal for short-term users, while Total Wireless provides consistent value for long-term subscribers with loyalty perks like free months after 12 payments. There are other MVNO competitors to consider, like Visible on Verizon's network and US Mobile on T-Mobile's, offering similar budget options with their own strengths in pricing and features. MVNO trends show increasing emphasis on unlimited data plans, widespread 5G adoption, and eco-friendly practices like Mint Mobile's carbon-neutral shipping. Price wars are intensifying, and experts predict market consolidation in the coming years, potentially leading to improved coverage and features across all providers. To make the most informed decision, review the latest plans and coverage maps on carrier websites, as network conditions and offerings can change rapidly.